In this video I will show you how you can create a blank notebook, a low content Amazon Kindle publishing, or if you want to use it for yourself in the iPad or in any digital device, or if you want to sell it online. The Microsoft OneNote is the best way to create a college ruled paper notebook, and in this video I am going to show exactly the same. So Microsoft OneNote is by default comes within the Windows 10, and if you are not using Windows 10, it is free to use. You can download it from the Microsoft website, and once you will open the Microsoft OneNote, your default notebook will open. I have already given it a name of printables, and in that you can just click this add section. Give this section a name, the name which you want to give it to your book. So I have given it a name on the college ruled paper notebook. So this is the section option, and here you would see the pages. By default your book or a section will have one page and it is named as untitled page. Keep it as at untitled. We are not interested in giving a name to our page. First thing what you have to do is to delete these date and time. Just select them and press the delete option from your keyboard, and then you have to go to this view tab, and in the view tab you would see this option of rule lines. Here you would see the different options: the narrow ruled, the college ruled, the standard ruled option, but we are interested right now in college ruled options, and we are going to select this. And if I just show you this paper, you can see that it is very quickly, just by one click, we have created this college ruled paper. And now we are just going to duplicate this paper because we want to create a college ruled paper notebook of around 50 pages. So I'm just going to copy this, and we are going to press Ctrl V, and we'll keep counting that when these 50 pages will complete. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. So I'll just, for the sake of this tutorial, I'll make the 25 pages college ruled notebook. And once it is done, I'm just going to go here. Now this is the most important step, that how you're going to download it as a PDF. So so just you have to pay very close attention. Go to these three vertical dots and then click print, and from this print option you have to select this option of Microsoft print to PDF. Select this orientation to portrait, and then here you have to select the current section. Mind you that if you, by default it will be current page, and if you just keep this, your book will only have a single page. So you have to keep this selection to current section. In this case I'll have 25 pages. As you can see that once I select this current page, I'll be seeing 1 of 1, but when I select current selection, I am seeing 1 of 25. So here you should keep it as fit to page. Click the more settings, and from here you need to select the page size. I'll just keep it as A4, but you can select the letter also from here, and then click OK, and then click print. Give your book a name, select the save location and click save. So once it is done, so I've just opened my this book, and you can see that here I have this 25 pages blank college ruled notebook, which I can use in my digital devices. I can send this PDF file to my iPad and I can start to use it, or even I can sell this as a digital product online. I can also sell this as a low content Amazon Kindle publishing. In any case, if you have liked this video, do give it a like, and if you want to see more the videos like these in which I teach you how to create the digital products and sell them online to make money, do mention that in the comment section, that what you want me to make. In any case, thanks for watching till the end. Like, share and subscribe.